Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a selling website on Wix. So if you're looking for a tutorial on how to create a store on Wix, this is the tutorial for you. And by the way, Wix is one of the best website builders for beginners. As you can get started for completely free, all you'll need is your email address. So once you have created your account on Wix, what I want you to do is tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you're going to tap on Create Website Editor or Wix Editor, better yet. Then you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, you'll be redirected to this page. And since we're creating a store to sell items, we will select Online Store. And by the way, after selecting Online Store, you could get more specific if you want. So if you are creating a drum store or a skateboard store or so on, you can get very specific and select the type of store that you would like to create. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Next. After tapping on Next, you will be redirected to your dashboard. So just give it a few seconds while the dashboard is being prepared in the background. Once the dashboard has been prepared, I'll be showing you how to add your store name and also how to set up payments and also how to add our source products. So we are going to be naming this store Test Store right here. Then tap on Next. From here, I'm just getting started. Then select Next. The product types, so you have 5 different products type. For example, if you want to sell physical products like a shoes, a cell phone, or so on, you could select physical products. If it is a case that you would like to do drop shipping, so if you'd like to source products from AliExpress or other distributors and then put it on your store and sell it, you could select drop shipping products. If you are looking to sell services, for example, online courses or tutorials or so on, you could select this. If you are planning to sell digital products like ebooks, printables, digital album, music, stickers, or anything like that, you'll select digital products. And you also have print on demand products, which would basically be when you use platforms like Printify and you would upload your design on that particular platform, and then persons would be able to select whether they would like your design to be added to a t-shirt, a mug, or anything at all. You can select what you would like to sell, and the platform would deal with the distribution and everything like that. For this example, I will be creating a store that will be selling stickers. So I'm going to select digital products. Then I'm going to tap on Next, and I'm going to select Online Store. Then tap on Next once more. From here, we are going to tap on Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, what I want you to do next is you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. So you can see the menu option right here. And we're going to be hovering over Store Products. Then you are going to select Products. After selecting Products, you'll be redirected to the product page. Since I'm selling a digital product, all I will need to do now is tap on New Product in the top right hand corner, then select Digital File. If you were selling a physical product, you would select Physical Product. So let's select Digital File. After selecting Digital File, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to add your mockup, and a mockup would simply be a copy of the product image. So right here where you see upload file, so your customers will receive links to download their digital products in the thank you page. So here is where you're going to upload the product image. So you're going to tap on upload file right there, and I'm going to select image, and I'm going to simply select the sticker that I had created earlier. So I'm going to tap on upload media, then tap on upload from computer. And by the way, the platform that I used to create the stickers were Canva. And Canva is a platform that you can use for completely free even if you're a beginner. All you'll need to do is go onto canva.com. Then you could type in, for example, say stickers right here. So let me do that. Then tap on enter and you'll see numerous templates that you can quickly edit even as a complete beginner. So you can see right here and you could edit and create your own sticker. Now let's go back here. We're going to tap on upload from computer and I'm going to simply select a sticker that I had created earlier. So this sticker right here. So you can see it is being uploaded. And by the way, when your customer make a purchase, they will be receiving a link that they can click on to download. So I'll tap on add product. So you can see the product has been added. Then scroll down, you can add the product name. So I'm going to call it sample sticker. Then you're going to scroll down. You can add a description if you want. And here is where you're going to add your mockup. So we'll tap on add images. And I had created a mockup earlier using Canva also. So let me add the mockup real quick. So this is the mockup. So let's tap on it. And you can see the mockup has now been added. All I'll need to do next is tap on add to page. So you can see right there, the mockup has now been added. So let me find it real quick. So I'll tap on site files once more. Here is the mockup, then tap on add to page. Once the mockup has been added, we are going to scroll down and here you'll be able to add your price that you'd like to sell it for. So I'm selling it for $5. If you'd like to put it on sale, you can do that. You can also track inventory if you want. And that is how you'd be able to add your products. You can also create coupons if you would like to offer your customers a discount coupon. You can do that. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save. So you can see the changes have now been saved. And also to set up the payment plans, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, scroll down, then you're going to hover over billing and payments, select payments. After selecting payments, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on manage payment methods. Once you have selected manage payment methods, you will now be able to connect PayPal or different payment options depending on the country that you're located in or the country that you have chosen for your business location. So at the moment I had chosen Jamaica, so you can see it is showing me PayPal and TiloPay. But if I would like to offer more payment options to my customers, I could tap on change and change the location of my website. And from here, I could type in, for instance, United States, then select United States and tap on choose. After tapping on choose, you can see here, I'll now be able to offer Wix payment options, PayPal, and scrolling down, if I were to tap on see more payment options, I'll also be able to offer AAA, Afterpay, Klarna, Affirm, and numerous other payment options as you can see right there. So all you'll need to do is tap on connect, and from there you can create an account with the specific payment method that you would like to use, and you will be able to offer it to your customers. Now, in case you don't want to do this method and you would like to do drop shipping, you could go over to the left hand menu option, select apps, tap on app market. After tapping on app market, you will be redirected to the Wix app market. From here, you can see different dropshipping apps that you can use. And to find even more apps, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, select sell online, then you will select dropshipping. After selecting dropshipping, you can see the dropshipping apps that are available on Wix. So you can scroll down. You have Spocket, which is a popular one. Dizers, which I also recommend, and CJ Dropshipping. So you can select either one of these and you'll be able to import products from AliExpress onto your store. I've done tutorials on how to do dropshipping using Wix. So if you'd like to do that, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can click on and you'll be able to get better knowledge on how to set up a dropshipping store if that is what you want. And also, if it is a case that you would like to do print on demand using Wix, I've also done tutorials on how to do that, and I'll be leaving that in the description also. So now that I've shown you how to add your products, we're going to tap on Setup in the top left-hand corner, and I'm going to be showing you how to design your store. So you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can see the different themes that Wix has right here. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes on to Wix, as they offer you numerous easy to edit template that makes it quite easy for even a complete beginner to create a stunning and also very operational website. So let's say for this example, I would like to use this one. Once on this page, if you would like some content to be added, you could tap in the box right here and give the AI some information, then tap on Generate Site Text, and the Wix AI will be able to add some articles or information to your website. But for now, we'll tap on the X to close out. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how your website looks right here. So you can scroll down, you can see that they have added the item or the product that I had created. And if you would like to remove the other products, you can do that by selecting Manage Products. Then you'll be able to delete the products. And you can also see that they have added bestseller. Now to add bestseller is quite easy to do, and I'll be showing you how to do that. But first, if you would like to edit the header section, you will simply hover over the header section, then tap on Quick Edit. After selecting Quick Edit, from here you can see you have the option to change the text, which is the announcement bar at the top right there. You can change that. You can also change the site background by tapping on Change. And by scrolling down, if you would like to change the name of the store, you can do that by tapping right there. And if it is a case that you would like to edit this section, you can do that also by tapping right there. You can change the text once more. So let's say I would like to change it to Test Store. You can see right there. You can also change the tagline by tapping right here. After you have done all of that, you can tap on the X, and from here, any section that you would like to edit, you can do that quickly. All you'll have to do is hover over the particular section that you would like to edit. Then from there, you can tap on Manage Media, and you'll be able to edit it. And if it is a case that you want to add something, let's say I would like to add a text, all I'll need to do is simply tap on the plus in the top left-hand corner. Then from there, you can add text, image, button, anything at all that you would like to add. You can find that information right here. And all you'll need to do is simply tap and drag and place it where you want on your website. And to view all the pages on your Wix website, you will tap on Home in the top left-hand corner. Once you have tapped on Home, from here you can see the different pages. So let's say, for example, we would like to go onto the shop page. We could tap on shop. Then it is going to redirect us to the shop page, as you can see right here. And if, for example, you would like to do any other editing, as I said earlier, all you have to do is hover over the particular section that you would like to edit. Now, let's say, for example, we would like to set up some bestsellers and so on. Now to set up bestsellers, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, which says Add Elements. Then you are going to select store. After selecting store, you will see best sellers right there. After selecting best sellers, you can see the different templates that you can use. So let's say, for example, I were to select this option right here. All I would need to do is simply tap on it. After you have tapped on it, you can see the best sellers will be added right here. And that's how you'll be able to add it. So I could simply drag it down, as you can see right here. So I could drag down the slide. And then from there, you'll be able to arrange the products by tapping on manage products, and you'll be able to select the products that you would like to add in the best sellers section. Once you're finished, you can tap on save and preview, and you'll be able to preview your store and how the pages look. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.